Good morning, everyone. It is Monday. After not having a weekend because Rick worked me, we are back at it. Essentially, what we have here is this home. They are getting an addition and we are being subcontracted to dig the footer for it. We also dug the crawl space. Well, you know, as these projects often go, it's a disaster, a mess. We got water in the hole because we got a ton of rain over the weekend, but that's also coupled with the fact that there's a lake right through there. Let's see if I can sneak you around. See the lake? Beautiful lake. And that lake is coming in here. We also just discovered that there's organics, like literally someone just buried over the vegetation on the site when they initially balanced the site, so that's cool. We also have a gas line here that Matt is working on exposing that is literally right in the middle of our run for our footer. And then as you can see by this lovely pipe sitting in the middle, we found the septic line. That was Friday. Friday we didn't get out of here until about 6:30, somewhere in there. Had to get Matt and Ethan, or I'm sorry, Rick and Ethan back out here to help us fix that because we didn't have any of the tools in the truck. So it's been a good time. So what we are doing today is we're going to dig this down. We're going to get all of the muck out, which I just discovered, like I said, that there's actually more stuff below the muck. So we're actually going to take this down. If I had to guess, we're probably going to take this down another 8 to 10 inches by the time it's all said and done. Then we're going to fill that back up. We're going to put fabric down. And then we're going to fill that back up with clean, sharp stone. Or, as we call it here in Michigan, 6A. That stuff right there. And we need like 3 to 4 times that amount. So that is the plan for today. We have one triaxle dump truck running and we're supposed to load out pretty much all this dirt. We're leaving enough for the backfill, but that's about it. The rest is getting hauled out as he hauls stone in. So that's the adventure for today. So I'm gonna go jump in the machine. We're gonna start digging and exposing the gas line. I'll get you some footage of that and I'll get you some little tidbits throughout the day. Ethan is still out with the old norovirus. Thankfully, none of us have started puking. So I think we're safe, maybe. We're gonna give Ethan another day or two before he returns to work, just to be safe. So Rick is out doing some tank pumps this morning, and we are out here messing with these shenanigans. So I'll see you in a machine. All right, let's see if we can't make a mess and hit a gas line. Probably just jinxed ourselves. Hopefully our dump truck shows up here relatively soon, but unfortunately he's got a long haul and I don't know how quick he's gonna make it back. Boy, that ain't as mucky as I thought it was gonna be down there. I mean, it's not good, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. We'll cut a little channel down to our pump here. Yeehaw. We've got to get the belt fixed in this guy. The baby is just screaming. And it is so obnoxious. So you got to expose a little more. That gas line could do this. And if we only have this much exposed, you're never going to see it. So start working your way. I'll pull that back, but keep working your way down the line so that we can expose what it's actually doing. That's why I'm being real cautious about how close I get. These whippersnappers trying to get out of shovel work. Suck it up, buddy. Says the guy in the machine. Isn't it great how the industry works that way? The deal, guys, when you're in charge of the job, you actually have to write stuff down. So we're tracking pump hours, we're tracking loading hours, because that's all being billed separate than the actual work being done. So we've got to track all that. Where's your gas line, Matt? Am I safe? What's that? Where is it at?
You almost hit it.
Okay. Look at that skill level that I didn't. Call it skill. Get her exposed. Come on now.
I mean, you did most of that already. Look at it. It's right here.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why I'm a belt holding champion. Right there. That was totally intentional. Totally meant to do that. You saw it here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm able to see through dirt and not hit gas lines. Everyone gets lucky every once in a while. Look at him. It's starting to come off the high of being angry. Ooh. Ooh, we've got a surprise twist in our gas line. Woo! Look at that. Boy, that is not at all where I thought that was going. It's a good thing we stopped when we did, huh?
Yeah.
So this is proving to be a very lucky Monday, because that's the second time we almost hit this gas line, because she is bobbing and weaving on us. Not expected at all. Normally what happens with these gas lines is the gas company will trench and then they'll do whoop and go into the meter. Instead, this one, they were like, well, maybe, no, maybe, okay. That's what we're discovering. Ooh, look at him go. Look at him go. You know what? Give Matt like 3 weeks with us and he's gonna come out of this looking like Arnold Schwarzenegger. We might have to give him some of the juice to help out with muscle mass. Oh, I think I hear a dump truck. Exciting times. Let's spin around here, ladies and gentlemen. Is it our dump truck? Could it be? I don't see it. Oh, that was my head. Oh, it is our dump truck. Look at that. What a great day. Let's hop up here and greet him. There we go. I have mounted the pile. We'll throw our blade down just for a little non-bouncy stability. After he dumps his load off, we'll load him up. There you go. Now you guys can watch him take a dump. Perverts. Give her the juice. Look at that lovely, lovely stone. Oh yeah, baby. There it is. Yeah. Hope everyone's awake. They should be. It's almost 11 o'clock, you lazy sacks. All right, back that up. Come on, baby. So that was, man, that was like 2 hours a trip. This is gonna be a long process of getting this dirt out of here. I really should pull from the back of the pile, because that's where I'm working. But you know, I'm a professional. I think about these things. Just try not to smash the side of our truck with a bunch of dirt, contaminate our stone. And again, I'm a professional. Keep going, Mac. Keep going. Come on. You. These youngins, they just don't want to sling dirt. Get what you can. So expose it this way. Hey Matt, go ahead and expose it this way as much as you can. These kids, as soon as there's an opportunity, they just want to stand there. You gotta whip them. You gotta whip them into shape. I might have to insult his mom. That's what motivates him. That's what it takes. I gotta figure out roughly how much material I gotta leave on site for backfill too. Although I'm not overly concerned about that right now, since our truck is on a 2 to 2.5 hour cycle. I doubt we're gonna take too much off site today. So I'm trying to leave this somewhat clean, because from what I understand, this is going to a building pad. So I'm trying to give them half-ass clean material. But you can see what we're working with here. We'll throw one more in the old caboose here and take a look at how we're doing. But you obviously don't want to load his tailgate up. So let's take a gander. I think you're pretty well there. No more? Okay. So, rule of thumb, as an operator, you generally don't want to max out your trucks unless the driver tells you, go ahead and fill her up. Like I just got. So we're going to fill this up. We're going for it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going for it. I think we can squeeze one more. I think we can do it. I think we're gonna call that good. I think you're good. You tell me if you want more.
Yeah, that ain't too bad. You can put another one in the middle.
Okay. You got it. I love a driver that starts his day with a big cigar. That is my kind of driver. I'm all about it.
You know how to pair these speakers?
Yeah, let me see what I can do.
Laugh at me, dude.
No, you're good. You're good. My wife is the exact same way. Anything technology related, she's like, will you just do it?